Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. So this is a very simple and fast gele. I tied this gele in less than 3 minutes. So this gele, what you need to do is make your pleat. I'm going to drop a video on how to make your pleats by yourself. So you roll this, the two and the both ends, you roll them, then you twist them. Easy. This gele can enter party, you can enter church. This gele is giving all it should give. So this is how you do it. You make sure you twist both ends, then you lock it in, then you put it inside. So this gele, you don't even need pin for it, but maybe you need pin to hold the back, or you just fold the back in. But this gele is easy and it is fast. Easy and fast. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for this kind of videos.